Work has begun on the construction of a soap factory at Sefwi Essam in the Bia West district of the Western region. The project is an initiative of the Bia West Cooperative Cocoa Farmers and Marketing Union using their premium payment from Mondelez International Cocoa Ghana as a seed capital with technical support from the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
The 5.5 million cedi factory will initially be for the manufacture of soap, while toothpaste and organic fertilizer will be added to the production line later. The main source of raw material for the factory is cocoa pod, which will be burnt into potash. This will be bought from cocoa farmers, thus giving them additional income apart from the sale of the cocoa beans. When operational, the factory is expected to give employment to about 600 people. The president of the Bia Cooperative Cocoa Farmers and Marketing Union, Mr. Isa Adama, said the union is optimistic about the sustainability of the project due to the availability of raw materials. He said the initiative would go a long way to boost the local economy. A consultant to the project, Mr. Kwabna Boateng Safu of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, said equipment for the factory had already been procured and manufacture will soon start as construction of the factory was completed. He explained that the products would be organic and would therefore have no negative impact on the environment.
We are entreating our brothers and sisters who have the opportunity to work in this newly established factory to be worthy and take it as if theirs, because they should work for generation to come and meet something.
The cocoa husk, which is usually discarded, will now be useful. Two cocoa farmers shared their joy with GBC 24.
We used to throw the cocoa chaff away, but today we have been educated on its uses.
The factory will produce other things including toothpaste, fertilizers and soap. The cocoa leaves should also be made beneficial.